Head to a 1081 in North Campus. Contact
I got a clear shot. Oh. You dick!
Head to a 1081 in Central Camden. Suspect
Fuck you!
Helicopter support. We are about to neutralize all visible threats. Hey, I can do it from here. You shut the hell up. No! Suspect is trying to escape. We'll soon stop that. I'm trying. Respond to a 1081 in Central Camden. Suspect left. Put your hands up. It's over.
I'm still young enough to whoop you.
Yeah, so get the place locked down. No one's gonna ruin the hood. You hear me? No one. All right, see you.
What up?
We almost got the hood under control, man. CJ, this is some serious shit, man.
Hey, man, I know, man. I went through a lot of shit for this family since you been gone, so I know.
What? For yourself, not for the family. Don't get shit confused, nigga.
Man, when you gonna give me a break?
When you stop acting like you the man. You keep yapping on what you done did, let me tell you what I done did. When Kendall needed shoes, I went out and got the money. When Mom's needed an operation, I robbed people for the bread. While you off in Liberty City thinking about your own shit. For 5 years, come on, man. Now you do something you wanna fucking pray? Nigga, please.
That ain't fair, man.
Carl! Man, I need your help.
Man, I'm kinda busy right now with family shit.
I helped you guys, hombre. It's time you help me and my homies. My hood's screwed up too. We got this shitty neighborhood on lockdown now.
All right, what you need?
It's time to get my old gang back together. Push out those yay-slanging punks, eh?
I know, but I got a lot going on right here in my own hood, man. And I made my brother a promise.
All your brother wants you to do is pay back your debt, CJ.
All right, I hear you. I got your back. Come on, let's roll.
Orale, the Vario's coming back.
Okay, so what's the plan?
We're gonna meet 3 of my veteranos over at Unity Station.
3? Is that all? All right, I'm gonna get a couple of family boys to come through, too.
My heart don't pump no sprunk. Oh, this that bomb. I'ma beat you like you stole something.
Homie, let's roll on some busters.
What's poppin' now? Waiting on. Oh, what's up, man?
We got some work to put in. You down? You wanna roll with me?
Shit's real serious, man. Look at the streets, eh?
Oh, now it's like that?
Yeah, we better watch ourselves, man.
We don't want to get caught on the baller strip while this shit's going down.
Man, Tenpenny brought the Central to his knees.
Wait up, CJ!
Well, excuse me.
Ooh. Those vagos, man, I'm gonna cut those cacos.
Ráspalo hasta el hueso. Hey, carnales, what's cracking, Holmes?
Cesar, and you must be CJ. Cesar says you cool, so we cool, Holmes.
Okay, check it out. We're gonna have to work our way through this neighborhood to get to my house. If we stick together, those vagos pendejos won't stand a chance. Watch each other's backs, amigos. Hasta la muerte!
¡Hasta la muerte!
Northside vagos, assholes! Come on, quick, go, go! Keep close!
This the best you got? Face, huh?
Keep together! Keep it tight! That's the last of them. Let's move out.
Want your melon pop?
That was the easy bit, eh? Now we're going to the Viper's Nest. This is where it gets tough. Luckily, we have a little surprise up our sleeves. Eh, Sonny?
That's a rocket launcher, man. We'll bring the National Guard down on us.
Look around you, CJ. The whole city is a war zone. Come on, I want to take my house back.
Hazer!
Shit, Hazer!
He's pretty bad! Caesar!
Watch it there, more vagos! They're coming over the walls! More vagos behind us! fucking finish this!
I'm with you, man. Let's take these punks.
Find a new home, assholes! Vagos on this hood! Burn them!
Shut up. All right, that's the last of them.
How's Hazer?
We need to get him to a hospital.
Hey, I'll take him.
CJ, you done more than enough, Holmes. You should get back to the Grove.
All right, S.A. I'll see you after all this is settled down.
Thanks, CJ, and good luck, my friend.
I'ma beat you like you stole something.
You wear colors, dude? Show me, game.
I put it work right then.
Don't be a bitch. Grove Street needs you.
Hey, you
Hey,
know
nice
me,
ride,
CJ.
CJ.
Come on, homie. Get out of here.
Shoot the shit, dude.
You down with the families is just a bitch, homie. I'm from Gank,
Okay,
fool.
let's do this thing.
What up, bruh?
CJ, I've been thinking. The city's big, but it ain't that big. Some fools know where smoke's high. But as long as the Grove Street families don't rule the streets, his money's gonna mean more than our rent.
What you got in mind?
We gotta hit those bombs and violence with everything. Hit every neighborhood they got.
If that's the only way, I'm down for that.
I'ma see what I can find out in the street. Big love, bro.
Much love, bruh.
Wearing your hood on your skin, word.
Please, man.
What
Go
you
on,
want,
dude.
dog? Take a compliment, CJ. Fool, who you hitting up?
What's up?
You two-bit backstabbing piece of eggplant shit.
Salvatore. Nice to hear from you, too.
You're dead. Your friends are dead. Your family's dead. I'm gonna fuck you up and your children and your grandchildren.
Well, it's been nice talking to you, but I got some money that needs spending on some expensive trash. So if you excuse me.
You're dead. Dead.
Yo, give me some love, homie.
Them some fly shoes, dog.
Whatever you say,
up?
bitch.
Hey, yo, give me that douche juice. If that's what you think. Okay, dude.
Excuse.
You must wanna die, little.
Hey, what's going on, man?
What's up,
Carl
with
is
you?
sweet.
Hey, what's up? You find smoke?
After we dumped on those ballers, the Vargo started to speak. We got him now. He's hiding in Los Flores or East Los Santos. Time to saddle up, CJ.
All right, I'll get you and then we'll roll over there.
Hey, CJ, nice ride, dude. Yeah,
Get out my fucking face.
I was just trying to be nice, you
Blood
bitch.
relative.
What's cracking?
I'm in. Give a homie something to drink.
What's happening, man?
Like that, my family.
Sorry.
What up, dog?
The only one who put his hands on me.
Okay,
What's up?
CJ, we going to do this thing?
Back up.
Man, you gonna knock me out, man. Come on. Ah!
You don't just be
Hey,
thinking
what's
all
that,
we
family?
got free.
Hey, man, you crazy? CJ, what's up? What's cracking, fool?
Come on, Angel.
Man, you don't want to do this. Come on. Fight those fools. I'm moving up. Can't stop, won't stop, suckers.
Catalina, is that you again?